Let's make a simple, well, two simple topiaries using ivies that I got on sale from Lowe's and the container of your choice. I'm using a little urn that I bought a few years back. Succulent potting mix, not for any special reason, is what I had in hand. I didn't put any fertilizer. I just planted the plant. For the other one, I used a small bird container. I tried to pick up the ones that had long stems or whatever branches. So it was to make it easy for me to wrap it around the forms. I moved to another room in the house that has better light and to be more comfortable. Now I'm in the living room watching the TV while I'm making this project and having fun. I'm gonna now put the forms on this, and I was thinking, how can I attach the wreath to the topiary? So I decided to just pinch it with the sticks. I'm also adding some pebbles, and that is just for aesthetics. For this topiary, I want to use the annual wreath I got the thrift store. That cost me $1 also. It's not in the best shape, but I could reuse it. So everything I'm doing today, I'm using things that I have. I only spent the $2 on the ivies. For the small topiary, for the small container topiary, I'm gonna use this wire hanger, and I'm just gonna make it round. I also spray painted this to make it look darker or less noticeable in order to use it. And I think it was a really great decision. As you can see, it doesn't take strength or nothing to do it. The only part, the hook part, I thought I was gonna be able to use it straight down, but the pot is too small, so I actually had to bend it. But it was nothing. For this one, the 2 sticks held it really well. So all I need to do now is just wrap the ivy around, and we are done. I think these projects were really easy, inexpensive, and fun to make. I hope you give it a try. I had a blast, and I think they look nice. I wonder, what do you think? Well, I hope you like it.